Good morning, 8th grade. Hope you're all doing well. I wanted to show you how you can add lines to your Google Slides because you will have a matching section. So how did I make this line? First, I go to Insert. Then I scroll down to Line, and you can pick any one of these lines. I chose arrow because it has the point at the end. So I do that, and I draw my arrow. How did I make my arrow red and a little thicker? I went up here. I went to line color. I made it red. I went to line weight, and I chose 4-point. Okay? And you can then adjust your arrow, make it longer, make it shorter, but see what I did for transpiration? I thought transpiration was A, plants losing water from their leaves into the air. Maybe that's right, maybe it's not. It's up for you to determine. Okay, but let's look at collection, say. Okay. Collection. I think collection might be D. Maybe it's D. Maybe it isn't. It's for you. But I have my arrow, my line, starting at collection, and then I angle it so then it points right to D. All right. Make 5 total arrows so you can make your matching. What I do, because it's a little easier for me, I have a Mac, I hit Command D and it makes copies of the line. You can't do Command D because I think most of you have the Chromebooks. So if you have the Chromebooks, I would hit Control and D. Try hitting Control D to make a clone of it. If that doesn't work, try doing Control C on the line, Control C, and then hit Control V. That is the copy and paste function. Otherwise, just make all your lines that way. Have a great day.